Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change device name on Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, let's get started. First of all, we can open our settings application on our Samsung Galaxy phone, and we have to scroll down. We have to go to the bottom of the screen and click on about phone right here, and here we can change our device name. We just need to click on edit button right here and name your phone. For example, I'm going to name it like this. Okay, and here you can read the description. This name will be shown on other devices when your phone is available to connect using Bluetooth, Wi-Fi direct, and other methods. Then you just need to click on done after you're done naming your Galaxy phone. Okay, and now as you can see that my device name has been changed. Alright guys, and that's how we can change device name on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.